Lime signals drive your data fleet. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple, repeatable train route you can use every time you sit down at the Lime pilot board. Think of it as one smooth pass from top to bottom. Top band, sectors, chart, IPS, weather, and finally, the trend strip. First stop, the top band. At the very top of the screen, confirm exactly where you are, what instrument are you looking at, and on what time frame, like UDOW, 1 hour. Then note today's session context. Is this your active watch window or just background? Next, scan any global condition flags in that same top area. Is the watcher on or muted today? Do you see any big simple status words like breaking, trend, range, or risk on or risk off? That one strip sets the scene for everything else. Second stop, slide down the left side. Move your eyes to the left-hand sector and rate of change grid. Which sectors or vehicles are green and which are red? Are gains concentrated in just 1 or 2 squares, or broad across many squares that are lit up? Now, look for obvious outliers. Is one square much stronger or weaker than the rest? Does that strength or weakness line up with the symbol you're focused on, or does it fight it? Third stop, the center engine. Shift to the main price chart in the center. Ask, is price pushing up, rolling over, or just chopping sideways? Where is it relative to today's open and any key lines or levels you trust? Then zoom in on the current bar and the last 3 to 5 bars. Are we accelerating, stalling, or giving back? Does that short-term action agree with what the sector grid just told you, or is there a disagreement you need to respect? Fourth stop, the right side conductor's notes. On the right side, start with the IPS summary block. Look at the count of qualified versus peaked symbols. Which tickers are currently qualified and on your focus list? That answers a critical question. Is there a real move today, or just noise? Then move down into the IPS detail table. Each line shows a symbol, a time, percent from open, and status, qualified or peaked. Watch how many names are joining the qualified group and how many are leaving it. Near that area, glance at any market weather or posture line. You're looking for one simple statement like rebound but fragile or risk on with breadth. That one sentence is your operating posture for the day. Fifth stop, side alerts on the pilot board. As your rules are met, fresh alerts will stack down the side of the screen. Each alert tells you which symbol, what kind of action, buy, trim, exit, or stand aside, and which Lime tool fired it. Treat alerts as prompts, not commands. Run through your train route first, then decide whether that alert fits today's posture. Final stop, close at the bottom. Finish on the bottom trend or timeframe strip if it's present. How does the 1 hour flow compare to the 1 day or the 15-minute? Are the shorter timeframes agreeing with the daily or fighting it? Once you've read that last strip, you're ready to choose your posture for the day. Stand aside, test small, or lean in. You make that decision based on one story told in order. Top band, sectors, chart, IPS, weather, and then the time frame strip. Now let's zoom out to the engine behind all of this, the 15 indicators powering your data flow. The pilot board is your cockpit. The train route you just learned tells you where to look first, and the 15 indicators are the instruments feeding those panels. Lime runs on a tight fleet of 15 live indicators. 13 are custom-built Lime tools for real working households, not hedge funds. 2 standard helpers round out the stack, MTFI and volume. This page is your plain English map, what each indicator watches, how it shapes the Lime market now weather, and where it shows up in your daily harbor checklist. Here's the clean indicator list, from top to bottom. Lime Notify, Lime Leader Squeeze Lime Index, Watcher, Lime Intraday PowerScan, Lime Multi-Sector Rebound Dashboard, Lime Not Hot Scanner, Lime Exhaustion, Lime Losers, Lime Personal Heat Map, Lime Market, now Lime Weatherstrip Lime 7-color weather engine plus MTFI and VOL as the 2 standard helpers. We also group them by function, so you always know what tool to reach for. First, Market Weather and Posture. Lime Market, now Lime Weatherstrip and Lime Index Watcher. These help you size today's risk and pace your trading day in under 5 minutes. Second, Leadership, heat, and rotation. Lime leaders squeezed. Lime multi-sector rebound dashboard. And the Lime not hot scanner. These show you where money is really flowing, not just what's loud on financial TV. Third, Exhaustion, risk, and losers. These tools warn you when the tape is tired, so you can trim, protect, or simply do less. Finally, personal map and workflow. Lime Intraday PowerScan, Lime Personal Heat Map, and Lime Notify. These keep your own watchlist alerts and intraday plan aligned with the bigger market weather. Use this train route the same way each session. Start at the top, slide down the left, read the center, scan the right, check the alerts, and close at the bottom. Let Lime's 15 indicators drive your data fleet, so you can trade with calmer awareness, clearer posture, and fewer surprises.